station, Hong Kong. This is the most bustling district in Hong Kong. It is very famous for their market.
I've got so much love to give. I got so much love to give, baby. Now what do you say? Why don't we spend a while on it? A little bit of this, take your time and let it stew. A little bit of that, take your time and let it brew. Let it slowly simmer for you, bring it to the boil. Sprinkle it with sugar, not too heavy on the oil. A touch of me and you, up the heat but not too far. A little twist of ooh, and a pinch of ooh la la. A little bit of this, I'm giving you the best of me. A little more of that, I'm cooking up a recipe for love. Standing on the crossroads, I've been waiting to watch you change. Whoa, bending over backwards, I've been hoping that we stay the same. Standing on the crossroads, I've been waiting to watch you change. Whoa, bending over backwards, I've been hoping that we stay the same. I've got so much love to give, I got so much more to give, baby. Now what do you say? Why don't we spend a while on it? A little dose of you, then add what's left of me. A whole lot more of loving, we could start a family. Slowly cool it down, don't let these things go cold. Cause I want you around until the days when we are old. Standing on the crossroads, I've been waiting to watch you change. Whoa, bending over backwards, I've been hoping that we stay the same. Standing on the crossroads, I've been waiting to watch you change. Whoa, bending over backwards, I've been hoping that we stay the same.
Jug is broke. Jug is broke.
Had a touch of me and you, up the heat but not too far.